The mystery of the Bermuda Triangle. All of us have grown up listening to stories of the Bermuda Triangle, where ships magically disappear without any warning or after signs. Read on to know what could be the real story behind it. Extraterrestrial. Much that defies the logic of our everyday lives seems to get attributed to extraterrestrial beings. Years ago, Flight 19, in which 5 Navy bombers seemingly disappeared mid-flight on December 5, 1945, is said to have been captured by the UFOs along with many other ships. The presence of pirates. Piracy occurs in all seas around the globe. The US Department of State cautions against the possibility of encountering vessels engaged in illicit activities near the Bahamas. Methane gas. The latest culprit in the Bermuda Triangle is methane, a natural gas that is less dense than water. So, if you happen to be sailing through a patch of ocean when a massive methane effluvium bubbles up from the deep, then yes, your boat could in fact sink. Gas hydrates exist in deep, high-pressure environments found in all the world's oceans, including parts of the Bermuda Triangle. But there are no recorded instances that such an incident has actually occurred. Rogue waves. You are happily sailing in a boat when, wham, a giant wave pops up next to your boat and sinks it. In the Bermuda Triangle, it does happen like that. So this may be the most credible explanation for the mysterious disappearances occurring in the triangle. Magnetic anomalies. If you have ever watched a TV show on the Bermuda Triangle, then you have heard the recordings of pilots noting that their instrumentation has gone haywire. The reality. Otherwise, magnetic variations are normal, and most pilots, sailors, and computers with GPS know this and compensate compass bearings to adjust to true north. But even if a compass goes haywire, does that mean it's an unexplained mystery? Magnetic anomalies happen, even locally, all over the world. But thousands and thousands of planes, sailboats, motor yachts, and other waterbound vehicles ply on these waters each year and seem to exit unscathed. The existence of Atlantis. Many Atlantis people believe that the Bimini Road leads to that perfectly mysterious and undiscovered utopia known as Atlantis. Something like an Atlantis would be hard to remain hidden from our probing world, sequestered from detection at the bottom of the sea, right?